I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download it. It actually works, guys. Super insane. So if you have any problems, drop them down below in the comments, and I'm going to be sure to get back to you guys and help you fix your issues. Hey guys, so today in this guide, I'll be showing you how to get the Among Us mod menu for your phone, guys. No jailbreak, no computer. So this is super cool, and it actually works. So if you're broke and you can't afford stuff on Among Us or something, this gives you free stars, and it's also going to give you tons of settings. But as you can see, my stars are low, so let me just turn that up for you guys, just so you can see that this part of the mod works. And then I'm going to show you guys how to download it, but it's super cool. So as you can see, guys, this is the amount. So hopefully the stars does start going up, and then we'll do the video tutorial for you guys. So as you can see, it is increasing now. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this to your device, iOS and Android. So let's get straight into the video. But before we do that, I will show you some other features in here. We got the anti-ban, we got the VIP, all skins unlocked, and of course we have the always be crewmate option, always be commander, and everything like that. So to download this, just go to tweakmod.com, find Among Us, press install. So before it downloads, there's going to be a verification. So this is just where we have to download 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% free from official app store, and this will install it. So this is super cool, guys. So I'm just going to wait for it to load. But yeah, there is that verification step we have to do, which is pretty easy, but I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. So let's just wait for this to load here, as you can see. So it's going to load up, and we just got to do the verification. So it's pretty simple. So if you guys are broke, you got to try this out, but it actually works. So as you can see, it says right here, missing files, additional files are required. So basically, what we have to do is download 2 of these apps and follow the instructions. So like Lucky Match says reach level 13. It's a game. All right, I can go ahead and do that. Travel Town, reach level 9. Mode Casino, follow instructions on the next page. So this one, you guys search something up. So make sure you guys do 2 of the apps, and then you'll get the Among Us mod on your phone. Go to settings, keep that background app refresh turned on, low power mode turned off. Let me just show you guys that. You don't want low power mode on while you're doing this. But other than that, you should be good to go. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel, because this is a fully working method for Among Us mod menu, guys. And also there's this video here, so if you're really confused, you can watch that video. But yeah, this is super awesome. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you like Among Us mod menus. This is the one to get. It's the only Among Us mod menu I even know about, so that's like saying something. But I'm going to see you later. So yeah, peace out, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. This is super cool though, so yeah, you can enjoy it regularly.